We're out here, one of my tow yards. Got 50 cars to do around there. So, need to get a hold of me. I'll be here for a couple days. We got this beautiful, look at this freaking race car. What is this thing? An HHR. These things are ugly. Oh, we can see if our readings were wrong. Works there. Oh, I'm an idiot. The door's been replaced. This thing, these gel things are all like popped, man. You take this crap off, we don't have to freaking deal with touching it anymore. Disgusting. Certain. There it is. I almost made the same mistake. This door's been replaced. I picked it, but I have not cut the key yet. Just leave it like that. Too dead, but this is absolutely mint. This is a fucking race car, man. Oh, sweet. We even got an AirPod. Oh man, nice. I'm gonna see if it'll program or not. It's gonna be a muddy one today, huh? Yeah, that thing had like mouse shit all over. So we'll see if our programming worked here. Oh yeah. Ooh, she's a race car. The Bluetooth dash right here. You know, they also call this the Bluetooth key. You don't need a key. No chip. And she runs good. We done out here. What a project. Hell yeah, brother. That's it.